How to know when to spray fruit trees. Do you grow fruit trees? Do you have problems with insects in your fruit? There are many chemicals on the market for spraying fruit trees. The directions on the container tell you how to prepare a spray mixture. But how do you know when to spray the trees? Things you will need: sprayer, chemicals, fruit tree. Yes. The first spray should be when the leaves are the size of your small fingernail. The second spray should be just before bloom. The third spray should be when at least 90% of the blossoms have fallen. The fourth spray should be 7-10 days later. Subsequent sprays should be every 2 weeks throughout the growing season. Tips. Warnings. The first spray is the most important. Spray the tree until it is thoroughly wet. Stop spraying 2 weeks before fruit is ready to be picked.